Welcome to Dasco.
In this video, we're going to go through a complete setup of the cab Squix M sleeve printing system setup. When you get everything, you're going to unbox it. You're going to have your Squix printer. You're going to have your unwind stand. This is already assembled. You are going to have your cutter, and you're going to have your base roller. We're going to begin by opening this up. We're going to remove the protection, the shipping protection foam here. And first of all, what we are going to do is we're going to remove our front tear bar plate. Since we'll be installing the cutter, we want this here removed. We loosen this up a little bit, and this plate can be removed and set aside. And this can be tightened back in place. Now I'm going to replace the base roller with the smaller base roller right here. So we are going to loosen this up. We're going to pull this out, set this aside here. Then we are going to put the end piece here back onto the end of this new roller and slide that into place, making sure that it goes all the way on here, and then tightening this down here. You want to make sure that you don't put this too far in, as it will jam in there. Now we're going to reinstall the cutter. To do that, we need to remove this front faceplate here. And we are going to take our cutter, and with this we have our two prongs here. We have our serial port that will connect here with the two prongs going in here. After we get it in place, we'll be tightening the thumb screw. So we will put that in place. We want to push this in to make sure it is in snug and firm. Once that is there, we just take and tighten up our thumb screw. Hold this up in place while you're doing that. Now everything here is loaded and ready to go. What I'm now going to do is we're going to install the ribbon. The printer comes with the core already on it, so I'm going to take my ribbon here. The ribbon is going to be installed so it will come off clockwise. So it's going to come off here to the right. It's a center aligned system, so you want to make sure that the ribbon gets put into the center. I'm going to just pull this underneath here. The ribbon is then going to come underneath this here. Have a little piece of tape to help hold this into place. And I am going to wind this up. What I want to also make sure I do is I want to make sure that I tighten this so the core will spin as I wind this up. So the ribbon needs to come down this way underneath, then underneath here, and back up top. Once I have that set, I can take my unwind stand. I'm going to take my material with the unwind stand. I'm just going to take this off here, put that over it there, install this, and what I want to do here is open this up a little bit, because as I'm coming down here, I want my material is going to go through this. Now, when I'm feeding this in, right here is the knob for the adjustment of the guides. The guides you need to set for the proper width of this material. So when I'm installing this, I like to take initially, and I take from the outside here and I push it through the cutter so it's going there. Then I will install my material through. I will slide it over into place so it's between my guides, and then I'm going to turn this knob in to get my guides so they are snug with the material. Once that is done, I'm going to put this here into place here. I'm going to slide it in so that's snug and can guide it, and I'm going to lock my print head down in place. The system is now loaded, fully set up, and ready to print your shrink sleeves.
Thanks for watching. If you don't see what you need here, give us a call at Dasco. We're here to provide solutions that meet your needs. 800-927-7701 or contact us at dasco.com.